In this video, I'm going to explain how you can convert a PDF to an Excel file using AI. I'm going to convert a price list from a brand, but essentially you can convert whatever type of file you like. Now, one of the easiest ways, of course, is you just use Google. There's all these programs that can do it. So you can go just Google convert PDF to Excel. There's a bunch of different types of programs that you can use. But when you want to get a bit more specific, when you want to do something, a bit more intricate and you want specific things to be done, it's best to use AI. I'm going to show you the type of prompts you need to use. So let's head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you the file that I'm going to actually convert. So notice this is the file that I'm going to convert right here. Now notice a few things. I'm going to zoom in here a bit. Now, one of the things, it's got the header in every single page. If I go to the second page, the header's there and all these things. And that's not going to be nice when you want to, process or scan a list like this. Now, there are a few columns: model number, price, accessory program, whatever that is, description, and the UPC. So we want to convert this to a nice Excel file because in using most scanners, for example, you need an Excel file or a CSV to be able to actually scan it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab this PDF and I'm going to drop it in there. And next I'm going to give the right prompt to ChatGPT so it can convert it successfully. Now, here's how the prompt goes. Basically, I'm going to say, convert this PDF to an Excel spreadsheet, maintain the same columns as they appear in the PDF. Every page of this PDF at the top has a little header with the brand. I want you to remove this from all the pages. Basically, I want it to be one spreadsheet that just flows right through as many pages that are needed. So maintain the columns. Basically, the model number, the list price, the accessory program, the description, and the UPC, maintain them in an Excel file. I don't want to see anything else within this file, just the data within the columns. So this is the prompt I'm going to give it. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and I'm just going to wait for that to process. So that took about a minute and we have this file. Now all I have to really do is just download this and open it up. So here's our file basically. There are quite a few rows in here, 3,473 rows. Basically, you have to give ChatGPT the right type of prompt according to how the PDF is actually structured. Anyway, I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.